When an alert or incident is triggered, an initial investigation, also known as triage, is performed. Triage is actually a medical term used for prioritizing treatment in situations where urgent care is needed and a quick but accurate assessment must be made about which patients need treatment most urgently. Triage is an initial investigation that has a twofold purpose. Triage separates incidents into those that require further analysis and those that do not. Number 2, triage prioritizes incidents based on the potential harm that they may cause. If no clear indication of malicious activity exists, a determination should be made whether the activity is anomalous. This procedure is typically handled by Tier 1 junior cybersecurity analysts. A clear and concise summary of the incident triage should be written, and the following questions should be answered. What has happened? What conclusion has been reached? What evidence can be presented to support this conclusion? And does the incident require a further analysis? The note should also contain a sufficient amount of technical information, such as timestamp information, endpoint ID, operating system and version numbers, source and destination IP addresses and port numbers, MAC addresses, and so on and so forth.